Hello friends, welcome to my channel. To get this purple eyeshadow makeup look, watch the full video. So first I will apply a rose toner. Then I am using aloe vera gel from Wow. Then I am applying a moisturizer. This is from Mamaearth. Then I will fill my eyebrows. For this I am using Miss Clear eyebrow pencil. मैं ज़्यादा बोल्ड लुक नहीं दूंगी, बस नॉर्मली अपने आईब्रोज को फिल करूंगी. डू द सेम विद द अनदर आईब्रो. देन आई विल यूज़ अ कंसीलर टू डिफाइन माई आईब्रोज. After defining the eyebrows, I will use a small sponge and blend the concealer very well. For eyeshadow, I am using Color Boat palette. You can use what you have. First, I am taking a light purple shade from this palette and blend it well in my crease line. Blending is the most important thing in makeup. After blending the crease line, I am taking the second eyeshadow, which is a two-tone deeper shade from previous one. I will also blend this eyeshadow with the first one. Then I will take the deep purple shade from this palette and apply all over the lid. And now I am blending the colors. For smudge black eyeliner look, I am using Lakme eyeliner. You can use any gel or liquid eyeliner as well. Now I am drawing a straight wing eyeliner. After that I am taking an angular brush and black eyeshadow and put it on the eyeliner. You don't need to be perfect here because later we'll smudge the black eyeshadow with the purple one. After applying the black eyeshadow, I am blending the eyeliner with the eyeshadow. Then I am taking the black eyeshadow and blending it well with the purple eyeshadow. Then we will do the same with this eye. Remember, blending is the most important thing. Otherwise, your eye makeup will not look good. Here I am doing the same, taking the eyeliner and smudge it out with the black eyeshadow. I am using a deep purple shade in the center of my eyelid. Now to the face, I am using Fit Me foundation. You can use any of your foundation or CC cream. Now I am blending the foundation with a beauty sponge. This is from PAC. At first, Fit Me foundation looks fairer, but after oxidized, it came to my skin color. Now I am using the concealer and blend it well with the beauty sponge. To set the concealer, here I am using the loose powder from Sugar. To do contouring, I am using the Sopadel palette. I will have a subtle look, so I am not doing bold contouring. Now I am doing my nose contouring. To sharpen the edges, I am using the same loose powder from Sugar. Now I will dust off the excess powder with the brush. To complete the eye look, I use the same eyeshadow colors from the palette. First I am taking the light purple shade and then I am taking the deep one and mixing them both. After blending them together, I will use the kajal and blending it with black eyeshadow. Once again I am using the eyeliner to prominent my winged eyeliner. To set my cream contour, I am using the same color brown eyeshadow and contouring with it. After that, I will apply blush and highlighter from Maybelline. Now I will apply lipstick. For this, first I am drawing my lip with an lip liner. Because my eyes are very bold, so I pick up a nude lipstick. This is from Sugar. You can carry this like this, but I will prefer to have some glitter, so I am using the same palette and put some glitter to the center of my eyelid. Without mascara, eye makeup look is just incomplete. So here I am using mascara and add some false lashes. So here is the final look, guys. To get more easy makeup tutorials, subscribe the channel. Thank you.